Netcrack-Central. Docker setup.
Today we are going to configure a monitoring agent, okay, with the help of Docker. So why we need monitoring agent? Because we wanted to monitor this ASA through a monitoring tool which is known as New Relic. So for monitoring ASA with the help of SNMP, we need a Docker. So in this video we are going to install Docker in Ubuntu machine. So let's start. So I have a few commands where with the help of that we can install Docker easily. First of all, we have to update Ubuntu machine, sudo app update. Okay, update is done. Now we have to install the dependencies. Yeah, dependencies have been installed. Now in step 3 we have to download the Docker. I had already downloaded, so now add a repository. Enter. All these commands I will paste in the description, and those who have not seen my SNMP configuration video, they can click on the link and they can see my previous video. Then we will install sudo app install Docker. With the help of this we will install the Docker. Yeah, Docker is installed. Now after installation of Docker, these are the commands which are essential to run the Docker. If there is no user mode, then Docker will not get run. So we will add the user. So with the help of that, it will give the privilege to the current user to run the Docker. New group Docker. Yeah, we have done installation with Docker. Now we can verify whether Docker is installed or not. So Docker version. Yeah, we can see the version. Docker version 24.0.7, API version 1.43. Okay, so Docker is successfully installed. Now we can check Docker status. Yeah, we can see Docker service is running and it is active. If by performing these steps still Docker doesn't work, then we can start the Docker manually or else enable the Docker and we can restart the Docker. So I will paste this in the description, so it will help you. If we check the Docker images, Control C to end this. If we see the Docker images, yeah, we can see still we don't have any images. So we'll continue in the next video that how we can use Docker to monitor SNMP ASA through New Relic. So thank you for watching video.